Now I want to give style to this list element, so I will wrap this inside one div, and class name of that div will be ToDoStyle. And I will also wrap this div inside one HTML tag. Now let's go to the browser and check. So I will add one button here, and that button will be cross. So here first element, and I will click on this button. Okay, this button will be inside this list. So now I want that if I click on this button, then the element from this list will be removed from ordered list. To remove the element, I will create one function, constant remove is equal to fat arrow function. Now inside this remove I will call set item, and I will pass previous items here, and then one fat arrow function. Inside this I will return, and inside this return I will filter all the previous items. So previous items dot filter, and if and only if the id is not equal to the index, and I will inside this filter we have to pass two parameter. The first one will be anything, so I will write a, and the second one will be important and it will be index. So now if the id and index will not be the same, then it will return that element, but if the id and index will be the same, then it will remove the element from the list. Here this is telling that id is not defined, so we have to pass id here. So now let's call this function. We have to, so inside this list we will give on select and the function remove. So now we want this remove function inside our list.js, so we will simply call on click is equal to, inside one curly braces we will make one fat arrow function, and then we will call props dot on select, and then we will pass props dot props dot props dot it as a parameter inside this on click function. So now if this props dot id will be the same as this index, then it will remove that element from that list. Now let's check it.